Hi friends, welcome to Wow Kids Hub. Today we will learn how to count. One balloon. Two elephants. Three hens. Four cars. Five stars. Six cows. Seven chicks. Eight bananas. Nine tomatoes. 10 parrots. 11 pandas. 12 potatoes. 13 mangoes. 14 fans. 15 sparrows. 16 goats. 17 apples. 18 pears. 19 footballs. 20 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do you know how to count? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, and 10, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13. 14 and 15, 14 and 15. 16 and 17, 16 and 17. 18, 19 and 20, 18, 19 and 20.